Hello friends, today we will learn the next point, that is structural isomers. What is meant by structural isomer? It is also called as constitutional isomers. The isomers which have same molecular formula but different structural arrangement or different carbon skeleton is called as structural isomers. For example, see here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is 4 carbon atom, that is C4H10, that is butane. You can also write this like this: CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. See here two form of butane, that is one is straight chain and another is branched. This is two isomer. This isomer is called as structure isomers. Hence we will see the types of structural isomer. In that first type, that is chain isomer. What is meant by chain isomers? The isomers which have same molecular formula but different arrangement in carbon chain or carbon skeleton. For example, C5H12, that is pentane. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is N-pentane. You will also write like this: CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. And then another form of pentane, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. See, these all three isomers, they have same molecular formula but different carbon chain. That's why it is called as chain isomers. Okay. Then next type of isomer, that is functional isomers. The isomers which have same molecular formula but different functional group, that is called as functional isomers. For example, CH3, CH2, OH. This is alcohol, that is ethanol. And CH3O, CH3. This is ether, that is dimethyl ether. See here the molecular formula of two compound: carbon 2, hydrogen 6, and oxygen. Here also carbon 2, hydrogen 6, and 1 oxygen. Same molecular formula but two different functional group. That's why it is called as functional isomers. Then third type of isomers, that is positional isomers. The isomers which have same molecular formula but different position of functional group, that is called as functional isomers. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. This is propanol. And another form of this CH, OH, CH3. See here number of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, they are same. This is the type of isomer, that is positional isomers. And next type of isomer, that is for metamerism. This is the another type of isomer which have same molecular formula but different arrangement of carbon chain in either side of functional group. For example, see here CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. This is the functional group ether. The name of this compound is diethyl ether. And CH3, CH2, CH2, O, CH3. And this is also ether. and name of this compound is methyl propyl ether. See here, the carbon chain of either side of oxygen is different. Here the two side is ethyl group, and in this example one side is propyl group and another side is methyl group. This is the example of metamerism. Hence we will see the four types of structural isomer in that. First, chain isomer, second, functional isomer, third, positional isomer, and fourth, metamerism. Okay, thank you.